So I'm gonna head down, check out the gym, do a little workout, and this just came in. So mystery tackle box. Gonna come home and film a little mystery tackle box unboxing. I think I have a skateboard deck coming in as well today, so should be a good vlog today. So heading down to the gym right now. Right now. A fitness test right now. Let's see how long I could go. Let's do this. Oh shit. What is the code? Please stand back. Oh, there it is. Uh-oh, good thing here. Mystery tackle box. Oops. Mystery tackle box unboxing. Hello there, YouTube. I figured people actually search for mystery tackle box unboxing by people they've never seen or heard of before. So I figured I'd do one since I have this box. Anyways, look at that. That's cool. So I did the one rod, one reel code, and I paid $5 for the box. I figured why not try it. I think it's like 15 or 20 or something. So according to this is what came in the box. Oops. Sorry about that. I have a text. Alright, so we got $13 or $6.99, $12.99, $4.49, $3, $2.50. So I'm not really good at math, but what's that, like 3,000? That's that 13, 20, 25, so 20. According to this box, I have over 30 bucks worth of stuff. So I got a Strike Pro Jumper 110 SP, a Kyle's Amazing Baits Golden Boy, a Z-Man Trick Shots, Carl Stash Carolina Rig Kit, which I actually use Carolina rigs 90% of the time when I fish. So we'll see if I still use those here. I've never fished in Arizona. Another thing, I got a bass box because I guess there's bass and things at Tempe Town Lake. And yeah, maybe if I catch anything, maybe I'll get a trout box. I think the last one said Big Bite Baits Creature Bait. I don't know if I said that. So give me some sick ass, a cool little sticker. The fish is catching the dude, and he's eating it with a sandwich. You catch me with the sandwich. What else? Little tips and tricks, little thingy. Anyways, let's check this out. Oh, that's cool. Little rig kit, it's actually really nice shit. I will actually use that. So that's something I would have bought anyways. $3, yeah. I would pay $3 for that. So It's nice. I've actually paid more than that for crappier stuff, so it's kind of cool. There's that. Ooh, this thing's dope. This will actually work here. Here's the golden boy. This is the one that they say is $6.99. So I've actually never fished with baits like this. I usually use squid, and I'm a bait fisherman, so I rarely use. I use worms. I use stuff like this, though. I've used these before, and I know these ones have good movement. Oh yeah, these are hashed. I like these. So what's this? The Z-Man Trick Shots. $4.49. 5-pack? 6-pack. 3.5 inch. I'll definitely use those. I think those will work in the water here. They look a little, look at these bad boys. So these are the big bite baits, creature baits. These are a killer deal actually for $2.59. You get a shitload of them. I don't know if they work, so we'll have to find out. Sorry about the lighting. But these dudes look pretty cool. Big bait. And then, hey, this is the expensive bad boy. Yeah, this is the expensive dude right here. You can tell this is a nice one. Strike Pro. Tungsten for ultimate casting. Tournament grade. The secret weapon. Choice of many anglers around the world. I think it's kind of cool. It actually looks like a little feeder fish. It looks like a little anchovy that I would have used for bait. So might have some good movement to it. I like that. And I did see a big fish in Tempe Town Lake that would definitely be able to take these two dudes. So I don't know, for $5. I mean, come on. For $5, so basically I paid $1 each for all this stuff. So if you use the one rod, one reel code, I think just 1R, 1R, like the number 1R, number 1R. So boom, look at that. You got this bad boy, this bad boy, this bad boy, with this bad mamma jamma. Got this bad boy. They even give you a box with a cool little swing ding on it. Boom, boom, boom. Look at that. Would I pay the full price for it? I'm not sure. I'll have to wait to see if I catch anything, but $5, it's not too bad. So check out my other vlogs. More coming soon. Let me know what you want to see. I'm in Arizona. Anything cool you want me to check out, let me know. I'm in Phoenix, so anything around there. Okay.